perfect replacement for our broken shelf. Worked out great for our fridge. Fit nicely in the door. Going to be ordering a couple more. Easy to order and install. Honestly, I don't know how the original door tray broke, but it did. We tried to glue it back together, and that helped for a short while, but then the drawer fell off the door and onto the floor, and that was the end of that. Ordered 2 of these just in case another dropped/broke. We are using both. It is a little tight, but that's okay. They are doing the intended job. I bought this as a replacement for DA97-03290A and it fits perfectly in a Samsung refrigerator SXS RS267LBBP. Same door bin, no problems at all. It came in a well-wrapped box and delivered on time as expected with Prime. Seems just like original. Wish I had remembered that I had stowed an unused one in the cupboard previously. It fits. Now if they would just make them better quality in the first place. This works perfectly and fits perfectly. It seems to be awfully expensive for what it is though. Fit great in our fridge. Until our fridge broke the next week I would just avoid Samsung refrigerators altogether. However, the piece fits, so no complaints in that sense. Doesn't fit every slot on my fridge door, but it fits great on the one I got it for. Click link in description for more reviews.